Put your heavy kitchen appliances on this sliding tray so you can have easy access to them without lifting them. It supports weight up to 25 pounds, so you can even put your KitchenAid on it. They also give you a neater look for the kitchen as well. If you love keeping your food fresh for longer, check out this vacuum sealing machine. Featuring 5 sealing temperatures to suit various foods, from meats to nuts. This vacuum sealing machine makes food storage easy. You can seal your food in just 10-20 seconds, and its 32-centimeter sealing length can handle multiple bags at once. This premium-looking couch console can store all of your favorite snacks so you can relax with your snacks. You can also place your drinks in the anti-spill compartment, which automatically balances your cups. It also comes with a built-in storage space as well as a charger. This nifty gadget not only seals your snack bags, but also has a built-in cutter for easy opening. Perfect for keeping your chips, cookies, and even pet food fresh, it's super simple to use and doesn't even need preheating. Plus, you can even stick it to your fridge thanks to its magnetic bottom. The adjustable measuring spoon makes cooking and baking a breeze. You can just slide the handle to adjust the volume measurement with easy-to-read indicators for precise measuring. It handles wet ingredients from 1 milliliter to 15 milliliters and dry ingredients from 1/4 TSP to 1 TBSP. Plus, you can dismantle it for easy cleaning and is dishwasher safe. Are you ever in need of something that can store your food for long periods of time? Check out these vacuum tires, which are made up of a durable plastic. It comes with a vacuum pump tot you attach to the top of these boxes, and that sucks all the air out, making an airtight seal. This non-stick pot and pan set comes with handles that you can detach. The handles have a clip-on feature that allows you to attach or detach with the pots whenever you want. They come in extra handy when you need to store the pots in the fridge, as the handles won't come in the way. The anti-fatigue mat is a convenient invention that makes long hours in the kitchen more bearable. It's got a nice padded feel that makes standing more comfortable, and it's non-slip, so you don't have to worry about any kitchen mishaps. Plus, it's waterproof and easy to clean, which is super handy for those inevitable spills. The Couture dish drying rack can be extended up to 27 inches if you're dealing with a lot of dishes. It's spacious and well-designed, making it easy to organize everything from plates to cutlery. The stainless steel build allows you to put any cutlery on it, and it's got a drain board to collect the water, which you can drain easily as well. Ever stuck in a situation where your knives just aren't cutting properly? Introducing Any Sharp Knife Sharpener, which is a portable little gadget that you can attach it to any flat surface, and it will stick there with its built-in suction mechanism. Next, just move your knife over it a few times, and you are done! These airtight stainless steel mixing bowls come with airtight lids so your food can be stored for longer. The set includes various sizes for different cooking and baking needs. The airtight lids keep your ingredients fresh, and the non-slip bottoms provide stability while mixing. You can also use the included tools such as a spatula, brush, and measuring cups for your next meal. Made out of stainless steel, this dough chopper is engraved with a scale as well. You can use it to cut the dough to a perfect size, cut veggies, and even scrape the baking trays with it. You can clean it in a dishwasher and easily store it somewhere without it taking too much space. This air fryer is great for your health since it doesn't use oil to fry your favorite snacks. You can use its 4 cooking modes: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate to cook delicious meals. Plus, it's big enough to cook for the whole family at the same time. You don't need a switch for these under cabinet lights as they come with a motion sensor. You can easily attach them to your cabinet's underside by peeling of the tape and sticking them to your desired location. They also feature a dimmer, so you don't have to make your kitchen look like a hospital. And if you're worried about them running out of charge, they can easily be recharged with a USB Type-C charger. Meet the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer. With its powerful motor and sturdy design, It effortlessly mixes, kneads, and whips ingredients for all your baking needs. The mixing bowl is huge, and you can even mix dough for 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch. That's really impressive.